This bread maker milk bread is soft, light, tasty and really easy to make. I am using the recipe straight from the Panasonic bread maker recipe booklet that came with the machine. You need strong white bread flour, butter, sugar and salt, whole milk and of course yeast. Start by weighing out the flour. I'm making the extra large size, so I need 600 grams of strong white bread flour. Next, weigh out 40 grams of butter and add it directly on top of the flour in the bread tin, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then measure out and add 430 millilitres of milk. I am using whole milk. I've not tried it with semi or skimmed milk, but I would think whole milk will probably produce the fluffiest and softest texture due to the higher fat content. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it with a different milk though. Transfer the bread tin to the Panasonic bread maker unit and close the lid. Add 1 1/4 teaspoons into the yeast dispenser, or you could add it directly to the bread maker tin. Milk bread runs on the basic Menu 1 program, so there's no need to change anything here. Just check to make sure you're using the correct size for the bread. I'm making the largest size loaf, so I have set it on XL. You can also change the crust setting, so you can choose between light, medium or dark. I'm going to go for the dark crust option, and so it will take 5 minutes longer. The whole program runs for 4 hours and 5 minutes. So press start and then leave the machine to do its thing. There's no need to intervene or to do anything. Before we check on the bread, did you know that you can also find this recipe on my website, Liana's Kitchen? You can see all the images as well as the recipe, which can also be printed out. And you can find more bread maker recipes over there. Now back to the milk bread. The Panasonic bread maker will beep when it's ready. Carefully lift the lid up and remove the bread tin from the machine and then the bread from the tin. It's best to leave it to cool for a little while before cutting it, and there are plenty of different ways you can slice it. You can use a good bread knife, as I am here, a manual or electric bread slicer, or an electric knife. All the options are in the description down below. So if you're not going to be using all the bread now, you're going to obviously need to store the bread. I like to use these bread bags as they keep the bread fresh and are really easy to keep clean. A link to the ones I use are also in the description down below. I hope you've enjoyed this bread maker recipe. Please do give the video a like and let me know in the comments what your favourite bread maker recipe is. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.